So dear subscribers, they will tell you how to install macOS Ventura on your Mac. So for doing this, you just need to go to Apple logo, just tap on about this Mac. So after, just go to software update, and here you need to choose update now. So after, you will see all and just follow all features, and after wait until it will successfully download and install it on your Mac. So also you can try to install it from here, from system preferences. Also just go to software update here, and also here you will find it again. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to our channel, click like on mine.